Hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see about the continuity of the topic, important website for investor or traders. So we are seeing that detailedly. So for the past 2 weeks, we have seen that, and we have completed with screeners.in and trendline.com. Today, we're going to see about moneycontrol.com and Marketmojo, the other website. Okay, so these are basically useful for technical and fundamental analysis. Going forward, I will let you know what are the key things which can be usefully used, can be usefully analyzed for the investors or traders accordingly. What are the tabs that you can able to look into it? And going forward, if you use this effectively, there would be some beneficial in making your manual analysis to be made as a automatic analysis, something like that with the sites. So before I move on to the topic, right? So I want to thank all my subscribers who are following me on YouTube. So if you are a new subscriber watching this video, I would advise you to subscribe to my channel and keep continuing watching the videos so that you will get all the new contents to your inbox directly. So let me move on to the video directly. So the topic which we're going to see today is Money Control and Marketmojo. I'm going to explain both the sites very detailedly in going forward. So what is moneycontrol.com? Moneycontrol.com is a website which is a very traditional website which are used by the fundamental investor to analyze balance sheet and all the annual reports, everything here in this site traditionally. Slowly what they did is they moved their site in a very different way, that they were giving the market news in a very favor, something like that. You see this site, no? It is updated live every moment, something like 2 minutes, 1 minute, something like that. You can have all the details which is available in the market instantly here. So right now let's check what are the different sections available here. So you can build up your own portfolio here using the portfolio option. Like you can have a clear idea about when, like you can add the stock at that date, what is the price, and accordingly you can track accordingly with the demo portfolio. All these things can be done. So all these tabs I am advising you to have a look separately. Let me go on to the main sections which are available in moneycontrol.com, which is very useful. So this market action tab is very much useful in Money Control. So this is something like all the index you can see here, like what is the live movement you can see during the market time. That is one thing. And next, global market. It is the place where we will be having all the global market update here. You can view all global markets and you can check all the things. So that will be expanded here and you can see all the global market updates here. That is one unique update this page is having. Moving on with the next updates. Now, the next important thing is most active. That means that it is something like the most active contracts that is very much going in deep, something like the price change or active contracts which the buy is happening. Buy and sell both here, it will be like both the sites it will be coming here. Most active means highest volume attracting people and everything will be there. The next important thing is top gainers. This will list only the top gainers for the day, and this will also change accordingly as per the market action. And top losers. This is something like loser people who are on the day, who is losing, which stock is getting loose. So this has contents of both Nifty and Sensex, right? The 50 and 200 stocks. So now these are the very much important tabs in the moneycontrol.com. You can have a look on it anytime in a single place. Next, this is something related with commodities. You can go for see all this thing. So this is something that you can make it expanded and accordingly you can see. This is the currency tab and this is the bonds tab. So here you have everything here. So now moving on to the next things. So IPO, you have any IPOs, right? So IPO issues open, there you will be getting this news here. And upcoming issues, listed IPOs, NFO, recent issues. On clicking each topics, you'll be getting the results about that. And personal finance advice, they are doing some promotional level activity. You can have a look on it. Stock advice, there is something like stock advice tab is available. So you can have a look about it separately. Top companies in India. So every day this will get updated, my dear friends. So which is the top company as per the market cap. So this is getting updated. So this is also one of the additional news which we are having in the site. So this is the peculiar things which we have in Money Control as a entry level thing. So now moving on to the other things. What are the other benefits that we can have? All these tabs I am advising you to have a look on it individually, my dear friends. Now moving on to next things. I want to give an update about one important thing which we have peculiar in this site. Okay, there is one option called MF scanner. Okay, what is this MF scanner? Scanner is something like the mutual fund scanner. So all people right now is doing different types of investments in mutual funds. I want all of you to have a look on it once. So see here, when I click that tab, this will be coming. So you can go ahead and have a look on this. Some like all the complete things which is having the high benefit and all the things is getting listed. So you can go to this historical returns, investment returns, monthly, SIP returns, risk ratios, portfolio, all these things. You can go ahead and have a look on it separately. This is one of the interesting thing which we have in Moneycontrol, my dear friends, who are mutual fund investors. I am advising you to have a look on it once. Now, how to use this site to make an individual analysis of a stock. Okay. Now, that is one favorite important thing which we can do in Reliance. Okay. Sorry, we can do in Moneycontrol. That is one of the biggest advantage of this site, how it grown initially. So give Reliance here. Okay. I have the results with me. Give the results. I mean, give the select as results. You will be getting that. See, this is the page once you give Reliance. Okay. So now it will have everything. Okay. All the tabs, when you click separately, you will be getting different things, shareholding, everything. Okay. Now, very much advantage point here is, see this tab, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. These are something that we will be learning these things on the annual report of the stock, right? When you buy a stock, right? So for example, when you take Warren Buffett, right? So he will be having an analysis of the annual report of the stock for the past 10 years. After that only he will try to enter the stock. So when you are a fundamental investor, you will be following an annual report section. So all these things are coming in the annual report. So in order to snap it, they have given these things here. So that is very much important as a stock investor to look about it. This app is very much interesting, my dear friends. Have a look on it detailedly. So when you go for all these things, right? So you click separately the tabs, you will be getting all the information. Right now, I have financials with me. This is the financials of Reliance as of now. They've given the complete thing. And here I am seeing one more interesting thing, my dear friends. The total other peer competitors, like in screener, there is thing, right? So they have this information also here. So this is all what we have in financials, my dear friends. Accordingly, shareholding pattern, pledges, everything they are giving here. So that is very good information. So these are the things which we have in Moneycontrol as a detail, my dear friends. Requesting you to have a look on this site once parallelly on seeing this video and get practiced accordingly, so that you will be used to moneycontrol.com. Okay, guys, now our second site. Okay. So this site is called as marketmojo.com. So this is also given in the description of that primary video, that is important websites for investors and traders. So here I am analyzing all the fundamental websites as of now. So we have completed analyzing this last week, and right now we did moneycontrol.com, and as of now we are checking the Market Mojo. This is the fundamental analysis site. Okay. So what is the advantage of this site is, you can make a login here. Okay. So you will be having different things. Hold on a minute. Let me show the login. So when you start this page, right, when you enter to this marketmojo.com, so you will be seeing all these tabs. Okay. So don't go to any tab. Just go to stock research tab alone. So all other tab is having some more additional ads for the premium service. So that is according to you. You can go ahead and check all the things. So when you give any stock here, right, so you'll be getting the window like this. So now, this is the one important thing. And what is the major factor here is that this is something like a colorful environment. So on seeing the color, you can able to understand the overall trend. So technicals, it is bullish green color. So what is the color and what it determines? All these things is determined here. So strong sell will be dark red, slight red is sell, hold, buy, strong buy, all these things. This is the color variation. So you can able to understand now. Now, when giving that, right, actually it's a fundamental analysis website, my dear friends. So when you check that, right, when you click on, you can go to the page in this wise, in this way also. Okay. So this all are the technical, fundamental things in each individual content. Something like this is one page, and this is one page like that. So this is one view, and the other view is, you can click this tab instead. See here. quality, click that, you'll get the quality. Go for the financial trend, you'll get the financial trend. Go for the shareholding, you'll get the shareholding. See here, shareholding coming. Compare CV. So it's like business segment, raw material, finished goods, everything you can do. Compare is all the comparison with the peers. So this is how this site looks, and it is very good, my dear friends, for this simple analysis and considering what is the peer competitor, and in peer competitor which is available at attractive price, and what are the financial trend, all these things. So right now in this segment we have IOCL in attractive price, and ONGC and Oil India. So these are something that very good at this moment. So accordingly, see here, MRPL is not a very good stock like that they are saying, and it is saying risky. So accordingly, if it is saying risky, you have to accordingly work. See, Reliance Industry, they are given, they given as fair, means that accordingly to the trend they are giving. So it is a very good analysis site for checking things in a very detailed way. You don't know the fundamentals in a much very good way, but still you can use this site and go for a looking of whether you have to apply in this stock at this moment or it will take some more time. So you can wait until the price moves to, I mean, the stock moves to attractive, and then you can buy it. In very expensive, you can avoid it. In fair also, you can avoid it. So accordingly, you can put a formula and you can work accordingly. This is what Market Mojo, my dear friends. Thanks for watching this video. I'll get back things about these things in completion in very later time. Something like the next video will be coming for the other sites which is left out, and accordingly I'll move out. So I don't want to rush up things. I want to give some 2 sites for a day and this weekend, so that you will utilize these sites and have a good look on it. Thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. If you really like this content, give a thumbs up and try to subscribe to our channel and spread out about to all your trading friends, my dear friends. Hi all, thanks for watching this video. I will meet you all shortly with yet another video. Still then, stay updated, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in home for some more days. See you all with one more video very shortly. Thanks, my dear friends. Bye-bye.